How you hold so fat, baby? I had to shoot my shot, but no, I'm not daily. She better than me, oh no, I'm not crazy. She TikTok famous like the coconut lady. Anyway, I'm
like the coconut lady, me bomba blood clot. Go on!
Jamaica, Panama. We no catch no feelings.
Reaction.
No, God, man. What's the radio to Mr. Boy Type Blast, aka The Reaction? Back in the field with another video for you guys. No, I'm not working at Amazon. I was a good worker when I used to work there. You feel me? Anyways, here with a song from Stig Da Artist called Industry 4, straight out of Belize. Wants a shout out to the Belize massive. You see me, shout out to everyone from Belize who's watching The Reaction Boss. You may see me in Belize this summer, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Anyways, the boys back with the reaction videos. You feel me? We're trying to give you one every single day. So I'm just spoiler alert. Last year on this time, April the 1st, I met in a car accident. And that's kind of one of the reasons why I drifted away from YouTube on a whole. Not just reactions, YouTube on a whole, if you haven't realized. However, it's been a year later. God bless, I'm still here. Let's get straight to the videos. The Reaction Boss, I miss y'all. I miss each and every one of y'all. The quality upgraded, everything I upgraded. But guess what? Your boy was just slacking. Enough of that said. We're trying to have fun again. Back in the business. We're starting from scratch. I guess we'll cut off the ear. We're going to show the ear. We're going to talk about that right now. You know, run tune. Run tune. You don't like what it is. Industry 4. DJ Perf Records. Look up yourself. Stig Da Artist. What go on?
Perf, what you stand
Yeah.
Back again, but fi kick up dust.
What?
Them try leak this one, but it's still a bus.
Bow, bow.
Just like Florida Express. Send a girl fi kill her like Jasmine Hartin. Without no warning, I just gotta sign a contract, no Marlon Vancing. Pussy, you're dead by morning. All me girl in my gangsta, she a queen, but she down to earth like Destiny Wagner. You gotta love me like Mary Beth love Tanga. If not, lose your job like Dr. Manza. Mix the coke with the jankro. You had a problem, you coulda just call me no Jenko. Dick in she mouth like stuff jalapeno. Now she can't talk good like Jan.
Dick in she mouth like stuff jalapeno. Jalapeno? Hold on. What the hell is that? What is jalapeno? Or is it called jalapeno is a pepper? Hold on, what? You know, run, tune, go on.
Send you. No give a fuck about no folly.
Yeah.
This one is for my little cousin laddie. Sometimes I lose my joy in a life, that's how it be though.
Yeah.
That's when I take time and check my ego.
Yeah.
And if you think you're bad dog, better know I'm strapped up with that land shark.
Yeah.
My advice is motherfucker just stop talk. Got a guana in my hand, push get box hard. Yo Shine, how it feel to get your visa back? Last time I said drop your hand and stop the cop. Now we got that beat up on a track. That's all I was.
What? Wait, what? What? Hold on, what? Hold on, what you drop it? Let me know. Let me know if that song has already been released yet. Because you know, so the Reaction Boss has been out the game for a minute, you know. Someone want to let me know, no. Let me know if that song that drop yet, you know. Because I don't know, you know. You hear me I say? Go on.
Saying bro, facts. And me say Talada. Soon start land playing like Vidal and na. Yeah. But fuck the coke, yo, me love ganja. Need a couple acres.
Boom, boom, boom. You see me I say? F the coke, we love ganja, we love the weed. Mary Jane, you feel me? We ain't at the coating. Go on.
Like Kareem Musa. Gas price high, but me high off gas. Yeah. Growth industries got me frost. Stink as shit. What? Need a couple acres like Kareem Musa. Gas price high, but me high off gas. Growth industries got me frost. Stink as shit, and that shit was rich. Bitch, I got higher than Sun and Tonich. Me want big chips, big bread. That's why I'm on the road more than Miss Debs. Yeah. Them say that me and TY got misled. Yeah. Okay, well I got something for we instead. Yeah. I can give you a future, baby. Let me play with that pussy like a ukulele. Call me Kyle on Ely. I know you're not easy. And
You want to just some like on the video right now, people from the video. See me say, rate the song down below 1 through 10. Let me know how you think the song go on in the comment section, people. Like, even if you know I fuck with the Industry 4. Go on!
But come blow me like a hookah, baby.
Yeah.
I'm a shooter, baby. And a Brent Gibson. That pussy done dead. Who's my next victim? Tell Georgia we should make children. Cause Bido is a bitch. Lucky I don't kill him.
At what point it tips that you could say, alright, I'm not just doing this for the love, I do it for the payback.
You mark my words, you watch this interview one day and you will say, boy, crazy, but yes, man, I will reach where I want to reach, Mr. Jules, for sure. By 2021, I reach where I want to reach. I have to be hungry, I have to want it back.
Welcome back to Uncut, this is Jules Vasquez. They say when I go live, I am too heartless. I don't want to resort to violence, but no room for badness. Life is sweet and I got cool access. When I die, I want in the rap to read the news and say that fucking you from the capital 822. Me say what he wants say and do what he wanna do without ever worry about any red or any blue. My whole squad move like narcos, them boy I just...
Hold on there, I'm thinking about it back again, but we kick. I don't even chat about that like in the dog. I just straight bars and bars and bars and bars and bars and back to back and back to back and bars and bars. Jano, go on.
Sally paper in a tacos, just got a couple of pungs and I'ma flip it like Tarsos. Big up to lock and loaded, I just got my new Taros. Imagine me without haters, that's like lychee without steak sauce. And I don't need no favors. They them beat me, Super G will take his fucking shades off. So basically them had to kill Mr. Program for make them get with the program. I swear to God that is so wrong. A lot of veteran artists have been working for so long. Well, I guess that I'm chosen, so I gotta make more songs. I gotta reach billboards. I hate that I'm still poor, cause I gotta build mommy a house bigger than Biltmore. We'll never forget the day I met Steven Victor. Get the youth, work hard, don't give up, just endure. I've been controversial before universal, but now these underground flows done turn commercial. That right there, so it's the best feeling. Them give me the beat and me just start cook like Chef Queeling. See, I don't really play like Oswa City, but call me Oswa Village, come and take girl them pretty. Putting bombs in your cranium on every rhythm. The old me was blind, now I got a nuclear vision. You need a new supplier, Perf I produce the fire. I got your girl ride me like canoe, she wet La Ruta Maya. Shawty tell me I'm the best in Belize. Who'd have thought we would have saw Kanye West in Belize? My heart like 20 degrees, so I head to the keys. I'm getting head on the keys from a sexily freak. Call me George Price, I bring one from the west to the east.
Yeah, me see, because him not take no breaks, him not stop, him just go on chat, be a bars. Me have to pause and take a break right now. I'm have to tell him to like the video, because the dog nah stop. The dog mean business. The dog come to devour the rhythm, him do it already. The dog come to kill the thing, him do it already. Stig Da Artist, me and people go check him out if you never check him out yet before. You see me, I say, big up all the Belize one time. But I have to take a bar, I have to take a pause. I have to take a pause. We have to go recuperate myself and come back like a general. Hold on there. We are forward back. Hold on there. Hold on there. No sir, Stig. Bumbuckle boy. Yeah. Yeah, man, we are forward back here now, man. Right now, too. Just like this. How they are back in the Bumbuckle building? Because we don't know how I go on a while ago, but Stig here go on too bad, me general. We have to take a break, but I don't know if me never pause. Yo, go on.
Find that given chest I would breach. Mommy never want me do it, still drop it on ya. They can't do me nothing, so stop trip, mama. What they gonna do when you got that ratchet on ya? I stay with the hammer, no Patrick Faber. How you hold so fat, baby? I had to shoot my shot, but no, I'm not daily. She better than me, oh no, I'm not crazy. She TikTok famous like the coconut lady. Anyway,
I'm the coconut lady, me bomba blood clot. Go on!
Jamaica, Panama. We no catch no feelings. We catch flights, no dog. Stick around, but don't fuck around.
Stick around, but don't fuck around. It's just the poor people.
Stig Da Artist.
Yo, Perf, what you style?
Yo, Perf, what you style? Yes, no man. So we love seeing the Bumbuckle things at one time, you know. You see me, I say big up the whole of Belize as usual. You see me, I say the reaction boss just represent phone one time. You see me, I say we're back with the videos, then people and I can expect a video every single day. I check that one tonight, late tonight. Anytime when you get it, then you get it. Tonight. Reaction boss, sign out, we're there. Peace.